My name is Morocco, a kingdom of history and glory, where the civilizations of the Arabs, Amazigh, and Andalusians converge to form a unique cultural tapestry. I am Fez, home to the first continuous scientific university in history, and Marrakesh, which embraces the magic of the past. Volubilis, a testament to human ingenuity, and Tangier, the city of the strait that connects continents. I am Chefchaouen, the blue city that captures hearts with the beauty of its nature and the tranquility of its streets. My people are noble and generous, proud of their rich heritage and thriving civilization, distinguished by their hospitality and warmth. I am Morocco, a land of authenticity and diversity, where the fragrance of history meets the hope of the future.